The first line waits 1, 2, 3, 4. They walk out on 5, 6, 7, 8. We start on 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, look front, 3, 4, 5 to the corner, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, we're in air gust on 3, lift 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, swish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's, I believe, on the word sky.
Okay.
6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Look at my arms. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the part we all love, 7, 8. Float 1, 2, 3, other line, 4, back line, 5, step 6, step 7, 8, 1, 2, run 3, 4, go through the lines, 5, 6, 7, little turn, 8, flex, 1, 2, 3, put the toe down, 4, 5, 6, roll 7, 8, step back and look, 1, 2, swish, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gotta think of where I am. I just went blank. Okay. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and keep that low because our foot will get caught in the skirt. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. You guys run to your clump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody is here looking that way. 5. I do the chasse, the attitude turn. 7, 8. You guys are going back. I'm running to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at the hand, palm down. 7, 8. Now you can come in.
7, 8.
Yes, I'm trying to do this in pieces. 7, 8. I just went blank again. It's helped.
1, 2, and then turn.
Where am I? Oh, yes. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Well, I can't do it in pieces. 7, 8. 1, coupe, 2, 3, and 4. And she said on that time to let your arms swish to here. 3 and 4. Now in a cannon, we're Pin and I in first. 5, then the group 6, then the group 7, and we're all on 8. Reach. 1, 2, walk back. 3 on an angle, 4. This is a parallel. 5, 6, 7, 8. I can't do this tutorial today. I'm just blanking out. Help! It's awful when I'm doing it in pieces. Oh gosh. Reach. Put it.
I can't remember.
No, we're not even there. Okay, yeah, sorry, go back here.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 in first, 5, 6, 7, 8. So sorry about that. So after we do our walk back, we're in 2 lines facing the back. We've just done our turn. 1, 2, walk, 3, 4, 5, 6, reach, 7, 8, elbow 1, 2, present 3, 4, first, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walkies. We split. Some go that way, some go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're all facing front on 5. Hold 6. Run with the skirt. 7 and 8. Back line. 1, 2, 3, 4. While we're doing that, the other people are going forward with the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we go forward, they go back. 5, 6, 7, 8. We all walk back with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reach. 5. Grab the partner's hand. 6. Reach the other partner's hand. 7, 8. We all walk forward together, and the arms come slightly forward in a V when we're walking. Right, left, right, left. The front line is going to go front now. Martha, myself, and Pat. We step to the right, and we swing. 5, 6, 7, 8. The back line. You were here, 1, 2, 3, 4. You take a step with the right. Now you face the back corner.
Windmill.
Okay? So we have opposites so that we can reach to each other. Okay? So that was 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Reach to your partner with a tendu. 3, 4. Front line. 5, 6, and fan. 7, 8. The back line was here. They reached to the front line. 1, 2, 3, 4. They step 5, hold 6, and they just have to fan their right leg. 7, 8. So now we're all together again. We step forward with the fan leg. You step on it and hold. 1, 2, walk back. 3, 4, take your shirt off. 5, well, not really. 6, 7, 8, like the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Float. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are all now facing the back corner. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. Float 1. Now we run to where we think our numbers are going to be toward the back. So that was 1. We started to float. 2, 3, 4. On 5, we step 5 so that we can turn. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8-ish.
And
So
that's
I
it.
apologize.